So, my dad and the neighbor rented this big skid steer, and we're gonna hit the lawnmower with it. It's an old lawnmower. Let's see how it goes. That's pretty cool. All right, now we're gonna lift the lawnmower. Let's see what happens. Whoa. Yeah, it's up there. All right, back up. Go with it. Here's me. Alright, resetting the chain. Making it a little more taut. A little less slack. You're gonna go get the truck? Alright. Alright, now we're lifting the lawnmower into the truck bed. So, probably gonna work, but it might not. I don't know. You might break the truck bed or the opening. This is not fitting in a short, so it's gonna be a full-length video. Yeah, keep going. A little more? Can you go higher? Yeah, that's good. Come on, Dad, it's like one of those claw machine games. We don't want to scratch the lawnmower. Why not scratch the lawnmower? Brand new lawnmower, totally. Totally not like you just hit it with a skid steer.
Like it still has a hood.
Oh yeah.
See, it still has a hood.
It still has a hood. Totally connected too. Totally connected hood. he's driving away. Never mind, he's coming back. Keep going. All right, you're under it. All right, stop. Yeah, because you're gonna hit the cover if you go more. All right, I'm gonna back up.
Down slow.
Yeah, very slowly, Dad. All right, you can keep going. Keep going. All right, it's stopped. It's done.
Still got some weight on it. That's what I'm moving. A lot easier this way. Fine. Not safe at all because of the bucket, but that's what we're doing.
Yeah, you should trust it. It's a Home Depot rental. Giving you shade with my hand. All right, it's in. All right, that was just hitting a lawnmower and moving into a truck with a skid steer.
Successful.
Yeah.
Don't forget the hood.
Oh yeah, we gotta put the hood on there. Yeah, go on. We gotta put the hood on
We
there.
lost the headlight lens.
No, the headlight lens. Perfect.
Good old Craftsman. Never dies.
Totally not. Perfect. All right, that's done. That's it. All right.
That guy behind you.
Oh yeah. So that was it. Like and subscribe if you want me to make more content like this. Well, more like to encourage me. I'm probably gonna make it more anyways. But that's it. That's done. End of video. Peace out.